Hello, Ryan here from RLF Vacuum Cleaner in Lake and Heath, and in today's video, just going to be a quick one. This is a update or repeat of a previous video I made where I replaced the battery in one of these power and energy data login plug-in devices. Now, I never was particularly impressed with the last video. It was a bit chunky and poorly explained and poorly worded, and I didn't think it was that good really. And if you go down to the pinned comment, somebody quite clearly pointed at all the faults that I hadn't explained very well in the video. So in this video, we're going to carry on from there, but we're going to do the job properly. I've managed to procure, if I can find out where I put them, another one of these 3.6 volt button cells used in these type of devices. What we're going to do is we're going to open this up, fit this new battery, because currently at the moment the screen is dead, which is usually a sign that the battery is packed up. Which means every time we turn the appliance off it resets, which is handy. So what we'll do is we'll get this open, we use the screwdriver, we'll open it up, and I'll join you when it's all opened up. So we got it apart. This is what the new battery looks like, nice and shiny and new. Well, this one looks very dull and corroded, like it's been leaking. So what we'll do is we'll flip it over, we'll stick it on the helping hand, we'll desolder it, clean the holes out, and then put the new battery in, solder it up, and see where we go from there. So if we just probe across the new battery, we're getting 3.7 volts. And if we probe across the old one, we're getting 0.6 volts. So yeah, it's well and truly flat and knackered. So hopefully, we should be able to give it a quick test and see what happens. Hey, you can see it now lights up. So we'll get that back together, give it a quick test, and we'll go from there. So we got it all back together again, all screwed back together. Everything seems to be working, buttons work. What we'll do is we'll plug that into the wall, draw some power for it, see what happens. So we'll plug into the wall, reading 245 volts, 50 hertz, 0.3 amps. Everything seems to be working. Power factor 0.6, 54 watts max. So yeah, all up and running again. How long does that take us? About what, less than 5 minutes? Probably a bit less than that, because if I wasn't filming it wouldn't take so long. So yeah, proper battery, 3.6 volt, 20 milliamp. You can buy these in medium-sized quantities for not a lot of money. So yeah, plug-in power meter, repaired. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.